Hi, this is Alan Moore, Certified Financial Planner and founder of Serenity Financial Consulting. Thanks for joining me. So I was recently having a conversation and I was trying to explain what young professionals should expect from their first meeting with a financial advisor. What should they be doing in that meeting to evaluate them? And one of the topics that came up was that I said they should walk away from the meeting knowing if the person that they were talking with, that financial advisor, is an investment advisor or financial planner. So after I said this, the person I was talking with stopped for a second, kind of had a confused look and just said, wait, there's a difference between financial planner and investment advisor? So the fact that these two terms have become synonymous, people think that they're the exact same thing, is a common misconception, and it's really the fault of financial planners for not having corrected it. I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that financial planning evolved out of investment advisory services. I'll start by saying that financial planning is not a protected term. Okay, you can't just go out and call yourself an accountant or a lawyer or a doctor without actually having the legal credentials to do so. Okay, you can go out and call yourself a financial planner in most states without any licensing or credentials. Okay, so it's not a protected term. What that means is that the definition of financial planning, financial planners, is not clear, it's not universal, and there's a lot of contention about how we're going to define it in the long term. So the definitions I'm going to give you in this video are my own. Okay, these are strictly mine. And the fact that there's so much contention means I can't really give an authoritative definition, but I'll give it a shot. Okay, so financial planners are in the business of helping their clients with one or more areas of their personal financial lives. Now, what does personal financial life mean? It can include cash flow, debt management, risk management, which is basically insurance, estate planning, tax planning, real estate transitions, retirement planning, education planning. All of these areas of your personal financial life is what a financial planner can help with. Now, some financial planners are assisting with more specific topics, such as financial psychology and those types of things, career transitions, and there's a lot of others out there that are becoming very specific niche markets. Financial planners sometimes specialize, so you'll find a financial planner that specializes in stock options, or they specifically work with a target market, such as expecting parents. But either way, they're typically still helping with all of these topics and areas of their personal financial life. Okay, so that's a financial planner. So investment advisor specializes in giving investment advice. Okay, they help establish their client's risk tolerance, so basically how much up and down in the market can they handle. They establish their investment goals, what is this money going to be used for, and they help to establish a portfolio that meets their clients' goals. Okay, so they are in the business of giving advice on investment portfolios, and most investment advisors are managing their clients' investments. Okay, so where's the confusion? Because most financial planners are also investment advisors, but not I would say that most investment advisors are not financial planners. So why is this? Again, I mentioned earlier that financial planning has evolved out of investment advisory. So there's still a lot of professionals out there that are only giving investment advice if that is their focus. But there's now a lot of financial planners out there that give advice on the full range of topics, one of which is investment advice. Okay, so it has really muddied the waters. The other thing that is kind of evolving is that there are now some financial planners that don't give investment advice, that they really just focus on the other areas to really give a clear distinction between their financial planning services and investment management services. They're very much in the minority, but it is a growing population. So the point here is that there is a very distinct difference between financial planning and investment advisory. One is not better than the other. They are just different services. So when you're evaluating a financial advisor, you should know, one, what are you looking for? Are you looking for financial planning, or are you looking for investment management? And be sure that you understand what services the advisor that you're evaluating offers, because they may offer one or the other. They may offer both. So what do you think? Are these definitions confusing to you? Has this post helped to kind of clear it up? What other questions do you have? Definitely feel free to share in the comments section below. That's all I have for today. Thanks so much for joining me.